All right, what is up, guys? Jeremy Reese here, a active duty United States Marine, been in the Marine Corps for 9 years, Staff Sergeant, and I want to take a minute to talk about Austin, AP Performance, if you know. How we met was he commented on one of my Instagram posts, and it literally went from there. Been with him, known him for probably close to a year now, and I could not be happier. With his training, his knowledge, his nutrition, and the fact that he likes to feed his athletes is one of the greatest things. But one of the things that is most important to me, and I think that separates Austin and AP Performance from anyone else, is his passion behind his work, his pride that he takes in every single client, getting to know you in and out, what your goals are, what you want to do, where you want to be in a month, 2 months, 3 months, however long it's going to take you to get there. He really gets to know you inside and out, your why, your everything. And I think that translates into his successful clients. He freaking coaches people for competitions, lifestyle, you name it. He's got the knowledge, he's got the passion behind what he's doing, and he just wants to change people's lives and help them feel better about themselves, becoming the best version of themselves. And that's what he's helped with me. I mean, I'm on his programming now. My strength is through the roof. I feel good in the gym. And I'm not really competing for anything. I'm a 3-time NPC athlete, nationally qualified, men's physique. I've had many different coaches, different training styles, and Austin's is literally the best that I've had. And, him being able to check in with me all the time, giving me feedback week by week by week, changing things as it needs to be done, keep my body guessing, you name it. He's got it. He's got the skills that pays the bills, you know what I mean? But I love the accountability piece, because when you go into something that you're trying to do by yourself, 9 times out of 10, you're going to fail. I've tried it. It's not easy. And when you have a coach that is there for you 24/7, 365, however long you're with him, that is checking in with you, that's keeping you accountable, that's what keeps the progress coming. That's what yields the results, and that's what keeps you happy to see the changes in your body week by week. And at the end of it, I guarantee you're going to be proud of how far you've come and where you are. So if you're not with AP Performance, you're not with Austin, you definitely have to do it. Even if it's just for a month, 2 months, 3 months, I'm telling you, it's worth it, hands down. So yeah, love you guys.